This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a close to the Loop, West Loop location that has great proximity to restaurants, nightlife, shops, and public transit for a tour of one of the apartments at Presidential Towers. I'm in apartment 3109, a one-bedroom, looking southeast toward the Willis Tower, panning around toward the south. Windows facing in two directions here, just flooding this space with sunlight. You've got sills on the windows to set your plants on. It's wide plank flooring throughout the living areas. You have a really spacious living dining area here. Can accommodate a variety of furniture groupings, nice sized dining room table, a home office desk. This breakfast bar pass-through into the kitchen. Stainless steel appliance package includes a dishwasher and a 4-burner electric range. You have dark espresso tone cabinetry, gray countertops. Just fabulous light here and a lot of space. Looking back toward the entryway, there's a closet on my right, another closet on my left that would have been to your right as you walked in. Looking at the bath, a wall-wide vanity, bank of drawers for storage, and a soaking tub shower combination. It's a walk-in closet with unusual amount of custom organizers. Both shelving and hanging space on both sides of the closet. Bedroom is spacious and it's carpeted. Looking due south, soaking up that sun. Closet I just passed off to my left as I walked into the space. And another closet. Could really accommodate any size bedding, additional furniture here. Presidential Towers has a great close-to-the-loop location, extensive amenities, variety of apartments with varied finishes. Definitely want to put Presidential Towers on your must-see list. Head to Presidential Towers' website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.